What's this? Some sort of checklist? That's really interesting. Your doll's a hot mess. I know. Look, a bathtub. Get out of these nasty rags. Good. Come on, let's suds it up. You'll love it, trust me. Did somebody order some bubbles? Here.
Glad I'm not that doll. Yikes.
You need lots. You sure about that? Yes. Now hold still. You need a good scrub. There.
Whatever. Nothing coffee can't fix.
Wait, not the face. Well done, scrubber.
Bottoms up. You're welcome. What's going on? Give me those clothes. We're starting fresh. You sure about this? Do you like bubbles? I can get used to this. Wow, nice. Yeah, so good.
What on earth? We're working too.
Clean skin done.
I'll get there too, you know. What have I done? Don't worry, a new face is on the way. Some of my best work. See? Look it.
You call that a face? Oh no. Okay, calm down.
Breathe. I hate it here. Not to worry. Things are looking up. Just you wait.
Whatever. I've got my own stuff to do. Wow, nice place. I know.
I've got some real work ahead of me. Starting with some toothpaste. It's surprisingly versatile. And pink glitter just because. It's looking prettier by the second. So sparkly. There, just the right shade. I only need enough for a tiny little doll face. See? Enjoy. I have one too. So relaxing.
Interesting, but not the vibe. Hey, what's that stuff doing here?
So refreshed. Time's up. Let's see that skin. Look, I'm glowing.
Come on, more. Those zips will be gone in no time. Breathe through your nose. So boring. Wait, my ring. Come on. There we go. A nice metallic mask. It'll activate the chocolate.
Look at me.
Oh yeah? Check out my doll's skin. You ready? Surprise! Nice, girl.
Yeah, it's fine.
Just fine?
Yeah!
Okay.
Her makeup's so pretty.
I know just the thing. These lashes are gorgeous. And now they're yours. There.
Lashes? I want some of those. Let me see what I can do.
Hello, Monday.
Aww.
My angel.
What did you say? That's my girl.
Oh, God. No, please!
Scram!
Let me.
Oh, thank you.
Whatever.
I'll go wherever you go.
Math class again.
My princess. There she is. So pretty.
Done with math. Is it clear? Great! Let's conjure the vampiric arts. Nice, reverse mode.
What the?
Who needs a full reflection when you're drop-dead fashionable?
She's invisible in the mirror?
What was that? Oh, just a plant.
Has she gone yet? That was some sick stuff.
Finally, break time.
Hey, girl. Got your juice lunch ready.
Keep it down, will ya? Here, thanks.
Nice.
Is it illegal juice?
Yummy!
Don't drink. It's dangerous.
What's your problem? It's tomato juice.
Okay. Tomato is good.
Here's your lunch.
Thanks. Healthy lunch.
Gotta roll now.
My queen.
Oh God, not again. Gotcha. Got him too.
Thank you.
Don't mention it. Thanks for the lunch. Yeah, I need some fiber.
Hey, girl.
Oh, come on.
Thank you again. Want to go out with me?
Too bright.
Oops. My bad.
Boy, I need a drink.
Me too. Huh? Your hand is cold.
Get off me, nerd.
Sorry again. She is so... This girl is so mysterious. I gotta search it out. Will I cry? No way. Back to research. Wait a minute. She's super strong.
Huh?
Really? Oh my god.
Back off.
It can't be real. Or can it? Hang on.
Tomato juice.
Is she who I think she is? Superpower, cold hands, tomato juice, invisibility. Holy smokes. They're vampires. I need weapons. I'll kill you. I love you. I'm not a vampire.
Hey!
But I can look like a vampire. I need a guide. No. This one. Oh yeah. How to become a vampire. Red eyes? Oh no, I can't see. Where is it? Got it. Tabasco? Okay, that will do.
Ow!
But beauty is pain. Beautiful red eyes. But vampires don't have braces. Gotta get them off. Oh, these can do it. Maybe a little messy, though. Oh yeah, now I'm ready for fangs. Let's see. Oh, I know. I knew this stash would come handy. Pearly white fangs. One on the right, one on the left. Ready for vamp actions. Yeah!
Ow!
My skin is not pale enough. Hey, bro!
What's up?
Get me vampire skin tone.
Sure thing. Here.
Thanks. Goodbye. Let's put it on. Lumina Grinoceus. Ha! Powdered perfection. Bye-bye necklace. 'Cause I need new outfit. Let's get changed for the grand finale walk. From geek to sleek vampire chic. Still missing a few things, though. Red? Cool! Never mind. Aha! Now we're talking. Crafting time. I'm thinking about a wristband to seal my vamp look. Nice. Still not vampiric enough, though. Something that's rough and tough. Uh-huh. We're gonna make this some holes first. This will take a while. Done. Now get some spikes for that extra bite. Ooh. Cool! Vamp rock on! Oh. And for the vamp cherry on top. Tongue piercing. Nah, too hardcore for me. Whoops. Well, maybe some chain is a good swap for the cherry on top. Give a little twist. Voila. Rock on! Huh? A little tiny ring. For the nose. Yeah, vamp rock on!
He didn't call me. Hey, look. Wow. Handsome.
Hello, girls. How you doing?
Hi, I'm doing great.
Step aside. He's mine. Hi.
Hey.
How rude.
Whoa, whoa. Don't fight, please!
I saw it first.
Oh, please. Girls.
Oh, not her again. Watch out. Ouch.
Oh no! Hold on!
Oh, you saved me. Get out. It's my boyfriend.
Hey!
Just leave her. But I just...
Ah, he was so kind to me. You look so cute on this photo. I wish we were together. But till then, I need to keep it a secret. I need to hide it, but where? Yeah, this looks safe. Yet only... It's too high! No, I can't. Oh, right, the boxes! Now I will reach it for sure. Aha, done!
What? What is it? I've got you.
Wow, you saved me.
What's that smell? Garlic!
Ouch! What happened? What's wrong?
smell. Ew, it's my armpits! Lunchy lunch. Do you mind if I sit here? Yoo-hoo!
What?
Oh, sorry.
Please be quiet.
I need some sleep.
Whatever, just never mind it.
So you did that.
Did what? Oh, this? It's just a tomato juice.
Oh, how silly of me. Huh? It's so cold.
Oopsie. Well, I've got to go.
What's wrong with him? Let's find it out.
Hey, open up! Oops, hope nobody's seen it.
Such a strength? Wow. Come on.
How do I look? Nice.
I need to get closer.
What was that? Oh, hi!
Hi, handsome. I've got something for you.
My favorite. Yummy. Right what I need.
And the money?
All right, here you are.
Thank you.
Drinking heavily.
Divine.
What, a bat?
Oh, my precious. Business is doing great. She as well? Oh, boy. It can't be. No, that's impossible.
I need to check it all out. He turns into a bat. His skin is ice cold. He drinks something red. He is a vampire. Cool! I could become one too! I just need to follow the instructions. Makeup will go first. So let's the battle begin. Hiya! No, not this way. Let's start it all over again. It said the pale skin. So let's... Oh wow, it's so pale now. Done! Now the eyes. And I think I had something like that here. Right, let's try them on. Cool. And make a TikTok video too. So it's before and after. And the fangs! Nice and sharp. Ready to charm and bite. And now let's add some makeup. Fabulous! All eyes will be on me, especially his eyes. Well done, Vampy. Now save it. Ew, my hair. I need to fix it. Hopefully there's one way to do that. Gosh. Well, it was worth it. Ew, disgusting. And now I need some new cloths. Wow! Ugh. What's going on? Got it. Now let's see what we can do here. In no time, I can turn it to a fancy dress. But I guess it lacks something. Great! Let's take these two. No, let me go! Got these too. Wow, looks awesome. And now time for shoes. Perfect! Now I'm ready to shine and marvel. Here I go. Feels really great. Oh, there he is. Hi!
Oh, wow, you look so amazing.
Hey!
What?
Oh, really? Ouch! Loser! Oh, no! Hey! Why is it happening to me?
Let me take it off.
Hey, don't! And you, get off! Ah! Ouch!
What are you doing?
No, stay away. Let me finish her! No, please, don't touch me, no!
All right, sweetheart. Here, come to Daddy. Come on, I'm right here. Gotcha. Phew. Don't worry, dear. Everything is fine now.
I hope so. So could you please?
Sure. Huh? Fangs? Oh no!
Huh? You're not a real vampire. Ew!